In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Google contacts to a previous state. If you've accidentally deleted or modified contacts and want to revert those changes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's surprisingly simple, and I'm here to make sure you feel confident doing it yourself. First things first, you need to open Google Contacts. This is your central hub for managing all your contact information. Simply open your web browser and navigate to Google Contacts. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your current contacts displayed right on the main screen. Now, to begin the restoration process, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on the gear icon to open the settings. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Undo Changes. Click on this option to proceed. After selecting Undo Changes, a new window will appear, prompting you to choose a time frame to revert your contacts. You have several preset options to choose from: 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, or if none of those fit your needs, there's a custom option. This is particularly useful if you're trying to undo changes from a specific point in time. Simply select the interval that best aligns with when you last want your contacts to be the same. Once you've chosen your desired time frame, locate the Undo button and give it a click. This will initiate the process of reverting your contacts back to their previous state. And that's it. Your contacts should now be restored to how they were at that particular point in time. A key tip to remember during this process is the time limitation. You can only restore contacts if the changes you're trying to undo were made within the last 30 days. Unfortunately, anything beyond that time frame isn't recoverable, so it's always best to act quickly if you notice anything amiss with your contacts. And there you have it. Successfully restoring your Google Contacts is as straightforward as opening the app, navigating through a few settings, and selecting your preferred time frame. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any further questions or need assistance with any other Google apps, don't hesitate to check out my other videos. Goodbye for now.